So if you've clicked on this video, it is because you do planking in your training or you would like to do planking. Then in either cases, stick around here. What if I tell you that doing the planking, you could get a double whammy? Get a stronger core and also improve your posture and reduce tension at the same time. Though I must say, when you're going to do technique I'm going to show you now, you will most likely cut your time by maybe 30 to 40%. Now, what do I mean by correcting posture at the same time? Lordosis, extreme lower back curve. This we can work on it and reduce the tension there. Kyphosis, rounding the back. This we can work on it and reduce this curvature by doing a proper planking. So stick around here and have a look and let's do this technique. I'm guaranteeing you this is gonna be a game changer. All right, so right now I'm going to show you how to do your plank optimally or to make the best out of your planking time. So how you set yourself up. Put your belly on the floor. Try to get your chest bone a bit closer, right? Your elbow underneath your shoulder. I put my feet on the floor and I'm gonna protect my back. You see, I tilt my pelvis posteriorly and with my feet I'm gonna bring my knees forward. I try to reduce my back to make it flat, bring my belly button in, and I'm gonna lift my knees just 1 or 2 centimeters off the floor. And already, I can already feel it. My goal is to keep it as flat as possible. I don't want to start going like this or rounding my back. I need to keep it as straight as possible. When you give up, when you start losing it, you put your knee down and you come back. That's how you do your plank optimally. So how was it for you? Usually when I meet people or when I train people here, the first time they do the planking, they're like, "Bah!" It's totally different. And you see, it's about just tweaking small details. If you like that video, I will be posting more video about training more consciously and with tweaking small details to improve the body balance and just more mobility and more energy. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, click on the like button and keep it up and get ready for some more videos. Take care. Bye-bye.